there, creators! Wondershare just released Filmora 14 with some awesome new features for you. One of the highlights is the AI Face Blur feature. If you want to become a pro at using this tool, keep watching. If you haven't installed Wondershare Filmora yet, head to the official website to download the latest version and install it on your computer. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. With the AI Face Blur feature, you can prioritize privacy effortlessly through automatic face detection and masking. Benefits of Filmora AI Face Mosaic. Automatic face detection. The advanced AI algorithm automatically identifies and tracks faces throughout your video, removing the need for tedious manual edits. It ensures precise blurring even when subjects are in motion. Customizable blur effect. You can easily adjust the strength, feathering, opacity, and shape of the blur, giving you precise control. This flexibility allows you to fine-tune the effect to match your desired level of privacy or enhance the visual style of your videos. Multiple face blurring. Filmora's advanced detection technology lets you blur multiple faces at once, making it ideal for group videos or crowded scenes. It automatically applies the blur effect to all detected faces, simplifying your editing process. Now let's see how to use AI Face Mosaic in Filmora 14 in easy steps. Step 1. Launch Filmora. On the Start interface, click on Toolbox, where you'll find the AI Face Mosaic. Click on it, then select and import your footage. Step 2. The AI will detect faces in the footage and apply blur to all identified faces. Step 3. In the Settings panel, you can manage detected faces. Select or deselect individual faces to remove the blur from specific individuals. Adjust the strength slider to modify blur intensity, use feathering to soften the edges, and adjust the opacity for better control over the final appearance. Step 4. Go to the Effects tab, then to the Body Effects folder, and scroll to the Face Mosaic subfolder. You'll find a variety of blur styles, emojis, and other elements. Drag and drop the desired effect onto the footage, and it will automatically apply to the selected faces. Download Filmora from the link in the description and explore the world of creativity with it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more visual effects tips and tutorials, visit filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video, where we'll explore another feature of Filmora 14.